I like that.
Love with seal.
So would you go to Jamaica to learn how to do a little patois, or
Nah.
is that natural?
It come natural.
Really? Are you from the Caribbean? Your family from the Caribbean?
No, man, we're not from the yard.
No, but you just...
I just get around, you know, and I've always had the natural ability to soak up the culture of wherever I am.
Right.
If I spend enough time, I'm an observant
What a
individual. That's why I'm able to incorporate the things that I've experienced either through my life experiences or vicariously through other people. I'm able to get to the root or the essence of the situation and elaborate and expound on it the way that I can. It's a gift that I've always recognized that I have, and I'm very grateful to it. You know, so I like to take advantage of it. That's why I like to travel, because I get to see life in many different ways and incorporate things that I probably wouldn't in any given environment.
Right.
You know?
Very talented. Well, we've got some Kissners who are going to ask you some
Kissners?
questions. That's what we call them, Kissners.
Okay, that sound like I don't know, but it makes me sound like I'm at a Macy's thing for kids.
No, these are our Kissners, not listeners, but they're Kissners.
I get it.
And they're going to step up to the microphone and ask Musiq Soulchild their very special question.
Cool.
Tell us your name and where you're from.
What's happening?
Name's Lawrence.
What's
from
happening,
the Bronx.
Lawrence?
How
Nice
you
to
doing?
meet you from the Bronx. Okay.
I'd like to know what other artists you would love to work with if you haven't worked with yet.
Oh, that list is kind of long, man. It's like so many creative people, so many artists out there. I know naturally people would assume that I would just say like R&B artists, neo soul artists, or the likes. But you know, I like art. I'm heavily inspired by artists from other different genres, like of course hip hop music that makes up the other half of what it is that I do. But there's also a lot of pop acts that I would like to work with. There's a lot of rock acts I would like to work with, reggae acts, jazz, musicians and singers, and vocalists. There's a lot of people out there that I'm extremely inspired by. So it's like this. I'm gonna pursue it even more to work with more people. I have worked with some people, but I want to work with even more people in my career. So just keep your eyes and ears open, man. You'll see.
Right.
And whoever I'm working with, that's the person who I wanted to work with.
If you could choose one person that you were inspired by, that you could spend one day as that person, who would it be?
I don't know. It's kind of hard. I've never been asked that question before.
Well, this is Kiss FM.
If I could spend a day being one person that,
for one day
that has inspired me,
yes,
musically.
who would that be? Musically or otherwise?
Oh, otherwise?
No, musically then.
No. No,
let's keep it musically.
No,
then.
Otherwise is easy. Barack Obama. I want to
like
be Barack for one day. I just want to be a homeboy for one day, man.
Right.
I mean, just so I can really appreciate the position that he's in right now, man.
What a blessing.
But let's just keep it, you know.
But how about musically then?
Musically, it's a toss up. It's a toss up between Stevie Wonder, and Prince.
Why?
Because these are two people who embody music in its totality, and have been for years, and have affected and soundtracked most of our lives.
Right.
Like there isn't a memory that I can think of that didn't, in one way or another, that wasn't affected or connected to a Stevie Wonder or a Prince song. And that's my life. So I definitely would have to be. It would definitely have to be either
Stevie, Prince, or Barack.
Or Barack Obama.
All right.
Yeah.
Hi, what's your name? Where you from?
Good evening. My name's Ed.
Hey, Ed.
Cliffs, New Jersey.
Okay.
I was wondering if you could lend your celebrity or your influencer voice to any humanitarian cause, what would that be and why?
That's challenging because we got a few things that might need some attention being brought to. You got hunger. Not only just basic hunger, but more particularly child hunger. The children, they don't really have much to use to their advantage as matters of resource for survival because they're just trying to gather their bearings in this world. So they need all the help and all the resource and nutrition that they can get. And along with that, also medical attention. There's people all across the world that can really, really use some medical attention. Even something as basic as clean water, from a more professional perspective, it would have to be something to the effect of inspiring people to be educated on the importance of artistry for humanity. A lot of people, they grossly underestimate the power of creativity, you know, and that being a part of the development years, you know, and not only in children but just people in general, how much being creative, not just through music but through visual arts and dance and theater, things like that, how many parts of your mind, how many parts of your being gets involved with it, and what it demands of you to challenge yourself and find out more about yourself and more about the world, you know. So there's a few things that I would like to lend my celebrity to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's a good question, bro.
All right.
Hey,
What's
lady.
your name and where you from?
Hi, I'm Linda Ferguson.
Hey, Linda
I'm
Ferguson.
from Peekskill, New York.
Okay, from Peekskill.
First, I want to say, music, you look so good.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Don't we love the
appreciate that.
mohawk? I love the mohawk.
Yes,
Thank you,
I
thank
like
you, thank you, thank you. Well, it's been dubbed the Frohawk now.
Is it a frohawk?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what people call it. Yeah.
Basketball players been rocking that.
Yeah.
My question is, do you or have you written for other artists? And if you do, how do you choose them? Do you write for that person, or do that person comes to your mind while you're writing?
I've never had the specific pleasure in writing for other artists per se. However, I'm definitely going to make that my main objective as much as possible from now on, because I'm recognizing, at least from the business side, how lucrative it is, but more so from a creative side, how I can get things off my chest and I don't necessarily have to find a way to make it make sense for Musiq Soulchild, you know, because there's some things that I would like to write, some music that I would like to make, and genres and things that I would like to contribute to, cultures of music that I would love to contribute to, but I know that it might come across a little off coming from Musiq Soulchild. For example, a song like Radio, you know,
Right.
I wanted to contribute to the crunk cause, but, you know, people was like, that's different from Musiq Soulchild. I was like, oh, God, okay, fine. You know, so I don't necessarily have a particular picking process, but it's anybody who's interested in getting a song from Musiq Soulchild, and it's a matter of us getting in the studio and just working it out.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Thank you.
All right. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you very much. Step to the microphone and tell us your name and where you're from.
L.A. Blunt from Patterson, New Jersey.
What's happening, L.A. Blunt from Patterson,
Newark,
New Jersey?
New Jersey, too.
Yeah, what's good with you?
Oh, everything is beautiful. It's good seeing you and Shayla and being here.
For sure. Thanks for being here too, man.
All right. Listen, I just wanted to ask if you're willing to work with new artists, somebody who haven't made it, you know what I'm saying, just trying to make it just like, you know how hard it was when
Yeah.
you was making it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, right now I'm working on trying to get my own situation together, getting my own label together where I can even be able to support anybody, because that's the best help that I can really offer to someone, being able to provide them with a way, you know, for them to get on the road to doing things for themselves. But yeah, I would love to work with somebody. Of course, there is a whole political aspect of
Right.
it. You know, we cannot deny, you know, the reality of that. That's not fair, and it's not wise. You know, but outside of that, personally, yeah, I would love to work with new artists just to let them know how possible it is and how real it could be
Right.
if you're willing to do the work that it takes in order to get it done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sounds good.
Yeah.
Well, you've worked at, I played not too long ago on one of our New Music Mondays. I played a song called Chocolate High
Yeah.
with you and India Irene.
Yeah,
Beautiful
yeah.
song. You said that appears on whose album?
That appears on her new album,
Right.
actually. She's about to start putting out. She already started working on it, but she's looking to put out the new album, and that's one of the songs. Apparently, it's the first single.
Right.
But that song is like 3-4 years old.
Really? That's what
Yeah,
somebody told me. They said,
yeah.
you know, it's been out a while, but now they're just releasing it.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it's a beautiful song. But
Thank
since
you.
we're talking about just friends, why don't we go back to I Just Want to
Okay.
Sing?
Yeah, let's go there then.
And
I don't know how exactly you segued that one in, but all right, I like how you did it.
no, let's just, we're talking about friends.
I'm with you.
You with me?
Yeah. I'm
You
with
follow me? You
I'm
want to
following
introduce this one too? Since
Ladies
you want to
and
be me?
gentlemen. Oh, no.
Go ahead.
I
You can
figured
do
if
it.
I got an album called on my radio, I need to act like I got some
Hello,
kind of radio
that you on
personality
somebody
with me.
radio. Go ahead.
So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Musiq Soulchild once again, and you're about to listen to another song, a classic song. It's an oldie but goodie from my first album, I Just Want to Sing. This is entitled, don't be
Just
looking at me
friends.
like that.
And I just be you. Ba-da, ba-da,
Oh, no.
ba-da, ba-da.